What is good, my people? Listen, look at how dirty this car is, bro. Look at how filthy this car is. Oh my god. Yeah, so as you guys can tell, I took out the seats already. Boom, boom. Took out the seats. And now, there's a couple things I want to do. Obviously, we're gonna clean out the whole car, right? Obviously, we're just gonna do that. We're gonna clean out the whole car. But if you guys do not know about this car, I had crashed it before, right? I crashed this car right on the passenger side skirt, right? And as you can see, it's all the way up in here. So I want to see if there's a way that I can access this through the inside and try to do something, which I doubt, but it's worth a try, you know what I'm saying? So we'll clean this and then we'll get into that. Interior is clean. So clean that I got carried away and I cleaned everything else. Yo, look at this, bro. Everything, even the mirror is cleaner than usual, dog. So clean. The door guard over there. This one right here has been cleaned. Obviously the floor. The center console has been completely cleaned out. All this, the dash, because it was so dusty. I'm not gonna lie to you. I pulled off the rug and I looked under there, and honestly, there is nothing that I could do with this side skirt. I gotta get this thing done professionally, no matter what. So it is way too messed up for me to even touch it. So yeah, unfortunately, that's all that I have for today. We're gonna put the seat back in, and I might mess around with those catch cans I have right there and install that, but that might be another video, to be honest with you. But yeah, no, this is definitely like a little before and after of the interior. Interior looks so much nicer. All we have to do now is just put in the rest of the rugs in here and the seats. I might just put my seat in and leave the passenger seat out, honestly.
Yeah, duermo de día, yo salgo de noche como Jimmy Fallon. No saben nada de mí, solo saben de dónde vengo. La H no es de Houston, ahora humo solo cuando fuman. Culo, 08 no quiero vínculo. Somos 4 en el vehículo. Tanto cuadrado como un cubículo. Tanto money que esto es ridículo. Esta movie no para, no tiene título. Se monta plan plan. En el filo moña que me tiene como Jackie Chan, yeah. Bad bitch tiene booty grande, pale grande, así como Doja Cat.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I'm gonna be filming for today, because it is 1 in the morning and I didn't even realize it until now. But listen, wow, this light is bright as hell. Okay, yeah, no, that's the end of it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. This is a very short video. Basically all I was showing was that, you know, I cleaned the interior and it was a mess, and I just wanted to show the difference between then and now. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Yo quiero par de millones, chillin', chillin', chillin'. Yo quiero 4 mansiones, chillin', chillin', chillin'. Salí de jangueo en un yate, chillin', chillin', chillin'.